gamers! Today I'm going to teach you how to make a video. This is the earliest I've woken up since the beginning of quarantine. Step number 1, to becoming an epic YouTuber, you gotta have a setup. See, I have a beautiful setup right now. I have 2 computers working. I've got my laptop, and I've got a monitor that's hooked up to my mom's computer. I have headphones that came with the microphone that I should be using right now to record a video, but I'm not. And I record all my videos with my Samsung Galaxy S10. I got an upgrade a couple weeks ago. I know you don't care whatsoever. Alright, step number 2 is to get ideas. This one is very hard because cereal time for me. Step number 3 is to prepare for the video. See, I don't do this at all. Number 4 is to record, to execute your plan. This is the part where you need to be funny, but insert a part where I'm funny in any of my videos. Exactly. Alright, step number 5 is to edit. Now this is where I'm funny. Because what I do is I just... Number 6 is to render and post. This is a really quick and easy part, but you know, just... Step number 7. Spread your videos to people. Like, what I do is I just post on my Instagram and my Snapchat story, and I might like post it in a Discord server, but that's it. I don't really do it. Mom! You posted it on Facebook. I love you, Mom. Step number 8. Repeat it until you get big. Alright? I mean, look at this guy. He did the same thing for years, and like, he's huge. He literally did the exact same thing. He changed it up a little bit, and that's the tip and trick right now. You have a tip to change it up every once in a while. See, I'm the coolest kid around. I've been changing up my videos since day number 1. Day number 1, when I made the Akinator video. If you haven't seen it, it's so incredible. Check the iCard in the iCard Carly corner. But yeah, I've been changing it up. I mean, look at me. I'm 10 feet tall now. I'm pretty sure that's how that works, right? You just get taller and you also change your voice. That's how it works. It's how you get big on YouTube. Thank you for being an epic gamer. Now subscribe or I'll rip off your kneecaps.